recover Gmail password without phone number. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail on your device. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your name at the top right corner of your screen. In your name, you will find Manage Your Google Account. Click on Manage Your Google Account below your name. After that, in here, scroll down and then click on Security and Sign In. After you have clicked on Security and Sign In, scroll down and then click on Password in here. After you've clicked on Password, verify by adding your password or your screen lock. Then, you will be able to add your new password. Confirm your new password and press on Change Password at the bottom. After you do that, you're good to go. This is how to recover Gmail password without phone number. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.